financial advisor? Why is it important to use a financial advisor? How can financial advisor help you get better returns? To answer all these questions, we have our financial expert Mr. Chintan Harira with us. Chintan, please help us understand the importance of financial advisor in our investment portfolio.
That we as human beings find it extremely difficult to understand the concept of inflation. That is, 100 rupees today is not worth 100 rupees. After 10 years, it is worth only 500. After another 10 years, it will be worth 250 rupees. And after another 10 years, it will be worth 100. So all of you will resonate with the fact that 50,000 rupees was a meaningful sum 20 years back. Today, 50,000 is meaningful, but not as meaningful, right? We've seen the cost inflation in everything that we do. 6 rupees coconut water in Bombay 15 years to 20 years back. Today, that costs about 50 to 60 rupees, if not 70. That's the inflation concept. And the second concept as human beings is compound interest. Over a period of time, when your money grows from 100, 200, 300, or grows at 6% rate of interest for a longer period of time, versus it growing at 7% or 8% or 9%, the compounding returns are meaningfully different over a longer period of time. So one may feel confident or comforted that I'm growing at 6%, someone has grown at 8%, it's fine. But after 20 years, the person who's grown at 6% will probably not be wealthy, he'll be at the same level or even probably lesser in terms of the purchasing power. But someone who's growing at 8, 9, 10 can be meaningfully wealthier. And hence don't think of, should I even bother about this 2-3% extra return? Please bother about it, because, and that's where your financial advisor, much like your family doctor is important from your physical health, the financial doctor is important, or the financial advisor is important for your financial health.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.